We're at the Hamburg Fairgrounds for Camping World's next indoor RV show. It's running through January 19th through the 28th. It's not bad. The roads, they just got 6 feet of snow since Tuesday, and it's Saturday now. So in 5 days, 6 feet of snow. The plow guys have been awesome. You got to come on out, check out this show. Again, it runs to the 28th. You cannot miss it.
First stop. we stopped to get alcohol.
First stop,
So first stop, we're going down the first aisle. We brought our friends Terry and Jason with us.
The E-Pro, Forest River E-Pro. Where was it? I just had the model. Oh, 19 FPS.
So
Front
it's nice.
bed setup, I guess.
What is this?
We have our friends helping us to explore all these campers.
This is roomy.
Yeah, it's nice. We like these Geo Pros. They're very nice.
Yeah, that's the shower.
Can't even stand up in here.
I guess it's not the same shower as ours.
No. And I was thinking for Julie and Rick, but Rick's taller than me, so he'd be.
Oh well. I'm not sure I've ever seen these Vista Cruisers before. I'm gonna have to check this one out. Let's see what's the model. It is what? It's don't know what it is. Huh.
No.
Nice big sink.
Ew. I mean, this is okay, comfy, but it's nothing like yours. And they
Yeah,
have
but you
table.
sat down on it and you went, ew.
Yeah.
It's a 19-footer. It took me a minute to figure out that.
If you
I
look,
don't love the bench.
and then the backsplash is over here. Come stand in front of the stove.
Oh, it's a little off-centered. Oh, yeah, that would drive me nuts.
Oh yeah.
That
I
would
see
drive me
it.
nuts for sure.
And it's a very cheesy backsplash.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just put it on part of it,
Yeah.
not the whole,
That's
the
offset.
rest of the 12 inches. that's
Did they
over
just
there.
do it wrong, you think?
Who knows?
There's enough room to go over the right way. Yeah. Nah. Oh, there's a big cupboard plus right there.
Okay, not a huge fan of Vista Cruisers, I guess. Nope.
This is the big brother of ours, the 26 have KBS, not the 25. So it's got a walk around bathroom instead of a walk through.
Here.
Basically, except ours has the countertop comes all the way up,
Oh, that's nice.
and the sink is in the middle.
Ours doesn't have a dinette.
Right.
I don't like dinettes.
I don't either, which is why we don't have one.
And it's got that 100-pound table up on the thing.
Okay. It still has a radius shower though, but I do like the biggerness of it. I wish we didn't need a 250 to tow it. It's got a good awning.
Good awning.
Oh, is it a Murphy? Yeah.
That's what Mark and Brenda got.
Oh, and that's
Yeah.
slide too, so you can't.
Wait a minute, this? What is this Murphy bed when it goes up? Look at it.
A
It's a
couch.
couch. Yeah, but wait
Theirs
down
is-
there?
Oh, it's a decent bathroom. It's a decent
Let's see
bathroom.
what it's like.
Yeah, you just pick up the whole. There you go. Oh, this.
And it's got the curtain though. Oh, there you go. Thank you, Kevin and Jason, for showcasing the Murphy
That's
bed
pretty
for us.
easy. Jackknife couch.
Right, but then look at the.
Ooh, it is comfortable though. It's the fabric that you have, I think. It's like a softer. They're sleeping.
Look at those levelers. Those are huge. We love the Flagstaff Rockwood brand. Every time we find one, we're in it. First of all, you got the stairs. You got the Goodwill radios. And it's just, the quality is so much better. I
These
just,
are even comfy.
oh, look at, you guys are all over it already.
Look at the TV. Oh, there's no fireplace. No, I'm not buying
No, you're not buying it?
it. No fireplace.
Oh. Yeah, we really like the fireplace.
I like the
Fireplace.
yeah, that is so
It doesn't have the weird little
Oh,
nothing
right.
shelf right there.
nothing shelf.
Well, it's literally a hole.
It's a, yeah.
I like this
Oh,
little
look at the closet.
You got dual
I want to say, this is gorgeous. What is this?
gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. It's an 25 MBR, something like that. It's not.
Oh, this is a massive.
Well, we have there's
sinks.
the microlight, there's the ultralight, and then this is the step above. So it's the top of the line before you get to fifth wheel.
Oh, so we need what?
Look at this bathroom.
And it's got a slide out king size bed.
Oh,
This is a master
king size
bath.
bed.
People don't
It's
use
got-
that bath.
You have a seat in the shower.
Well, look at the double sinks.
And look at, well, hey, nobody's
hold on.
mentioned the fact that it's got this.
Oh, it's a proper size head.
Oh, look, a father pillow. Oh my god.
It is awesome.
It's got
I
a soap
like
tray.
this.
Look at this.
Double sink?
Hang on.
Nice.
Come
Okay,
back.
hold on, come back to it.
Come back to the talent. I don't even have to stand in the skylight.
It's that tall.
It is that tall.
This might be the perfect camper.
And this is like actually head level. Anyway, but there's a seat.
This might be the best one.
Yeah, this is the best one so far.
Good.
Shave my legs.
Shave my legs.
Outdoors.
Oh my gosh, that is a lot of dresser space in the bedroom.
Oh, and- okay. You can't. Well, you can. There's outdoors. It's like
Oh
ours.
my gosh, this is plenty. It's like all storage.
Yeah, this is like our bed slide, but bigger.
Look at all the storage behind you.
That's what I said. There's 6 drawers, 2 thingies. We got a whole closet here. Look at yourself.
This is a good camper.
And then it's got these 4 drawers instead of a vanity in the bathroom. It's got these 4 really deep, nice cupboards.
And you don't have the stupid head shelves. They're actually above where they're supposed to be. They have holes on the outside. So you can run cords through. Look at that. They
You want this
actually
one
do
now.
what they're supposed to.
You want this one now, don't you?
Out of these beds. That's the
Flagstaff Classic. This one was the 826 MBR. We're almost at 8,000 pounds dry. Got 2,000 more, so you just no half-ton towable.
For those who like seasonal camping, there's a whole row of park models. These are fancy. Oh, Kevin's all over it. He's like, you guys go see this one. What are you going to tell me, Kevin?
There's a spiral staircase to go to the loft.
Wow. Are we going in there?
Sure, why not?
All right. I'm following you. Oh, there's a lot of people in there, though. Walk into a set of stairs that goes up into the loft.
Yeah.
Oh,
Step
Wow.
down to the back shower.
Oh, my.
This is the washer dryer.
Wow.
sleeps a lot.
I don't know if this is going to be big enough for me. No, it is.
Wow. 6'2".
It's got like body sprays and this thing. It's
Neat.
head height, so I can actually wash my hair without actually bending my knees. And it's
Nice.
got a spray one.
If you
Yeah.
ever wanted a park model,
Oh,
though.
jeez, you might as well just buy a trailer home or a manufactured home.
Okay.
It's got a vent fan in the wall.
Oh, it's a Max fan,
That's
too.
wild, yeah. Oh, that's the fuse. Oh, there you go.
Ooh,
Wow.
it's quiet. Okay, I should probably not.
Oh, jeez.
Wow, look at the inside of this thing.
We decided this is way too many kid spaces. We don't want to be here if they're
No, we don't really want to encourage that.
no
Elevator.
white curtains.
Wow.
Room is pretty amazing.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah, look at the fridge. The pantry. Turn to your left.
I love the metal work, but how many kids do you need?
We don't need any.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
We can fill this with dogs, maybe?
This has little bar stools that come out. This whole island here.
Nice. Couch is pretty sweet.
A lot of kid space.
Pantry, so they have a whole billboard of all the used options they have available. That's nice if you're not here for new. So Kevin got an Easy Leveler by Anderson at the show.
Easy block.
Easy Block, sorry.
And if you don't know, you can talk them down because this was originally marked for $30. I got it for 25.
Show price.
Yeah, I don't know.